What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you step by step on how you can sell print on demand products on eBay using Printify. Now, as you can see, I have created this new eBay account. I have multiple eBay accounts, so I'm not going to use an old one. I want to show you guys step by step on how you can do this yourself. So yeah, I created this account like 3 years, I believe like 6 years ago, but I didn't post anything on this. So this is a new account. I have never used it. Okay, now also you can see the member since 2017, so you can create a new one, or you can use an old one that you already have, or you can use an existing one that you sell on it, like that you use for your personal use, or you are selling on it. So it doesn't matter, you just need to have an eBay account. Okay, now you want to go to Printify. You want to search for Printify on Google, and you need to create an account. Now you want to click on sign up in the top right, and what you need to do, guys, next is to enter the information here. You either sign up with Google, or you can enter here your email and password. So I like to use Google. I'm going to click on continue with Google, confirm, and here you will then be able to create an account with Google. Now it says here what best describes you the best, like what describes you the best. So for example, you can just say like, I have my own e-commerce store, which is eBay. Now it says here, grow my current business. What is your main objective? Grow my current business, start my first online business. You just need to click on grow my online business, and like better, what brings you to Printify? I would say like, I'm just exploring. Yeah, I'm just exploring. How did you find out about Printify? I would say like, I heard it from someone on YouTube maybe. And here it says here, thank you for your time. What would you like to do now? It says here, order a sample, create get a real life version of products to check the quality and design. And here it says, connect your store to Printify. Why wait? Connect your sales channels in Flash and start selling now. And here you just need to click on connect your store. And here what you need to do, guys, you want to click on add a new store in the top right. Here you will find a lot of options, which is Shopify, Walmart, Printify, pop-up, eBay. So you want to select here eBay, which is the platform that we are trying to connect to Printify. Click on eBay, and here it says here, I want to create a new store. If you have a new store, you can just, if you want to create a new store, you just need to enter the store name. But if you have an existing one, here it says, I want to use an existing Printify store, or you can create, for example, a new one. So I would go with a new one. To get started, as you can see, you need a Printify store to connect with eBay. You can create and name a new store, or use an existing store if you already have one. Your store name will be shown on the ship from field on shipping labels, and can be changed anytime in your store settings. So I'm going to create a new store right now. I'm going to add, for example, best deals 45, and then click connect. And here it says here, create an eBay account. So if you want to create an eBay account, you just need to click on create an eBay account. If you already have one, like I said, you need to click on I have an eBay account, click continue, and it will take you directly to your eBay, and you need to give the permission. You need to click on agree and confirm. Wait for it now to be like, so that you can connect it. And as you can see, it says here, how do I set up payment methods? So if you haven't if you don't have a payment method on eBay, you just need to follow these simple steps to add the payment method to your eBay. If you have already added the payment method, you want to click on I added a payment method on eBay, click continue. here it says confirm eBay business policies and connect. So it says here, for example, you have already like read the policies and stuff like rules. Click yes, I understand the required eBay business policies. Click on continue. As you can see here, it says here, congratulations, you connected an eBay store. Check out this article on how to start selling. Now you just want to close this, and what you need to do, guys, now is to start selling. As you can see, we see here the selling limit on your eBay account. You can also visit your store in the top right. As you can see, it will take you directly to your store. You can start creating. If you click on create order, you can click, for example, on manual, and here you need to search for a product or a print provider, but you can just you have no products, why not add some? For example, you want to click on browse catalog, and here you just find a random product here. As you can see, find a random one, and you can start editing it and listing it on your eBay store. So for example, if you want to edit this one, you just need to click on start designing, and you can either download a logo from Google and paste it here, or you can just click, for example, on custom text. You just need to add, for example, on custom text, for example, leave a like, for example. So, or you can add a logo. So most people they are going to add a logo here. Okay, now yeah, as you can see, it says here save a product. You want to click on save product, and you want to then click on the size, select sizes that you are, for example, you want to check this. As you can see here, if you want to offer free shipping, you want to click on display free shipping. Of course, you don't want to add here leave a like or something like that. You just need to give it some time and create a very good t-shirt with a very good logo, so that people will be interested to buy it from you on eBay. And here the title, you need to find a very good title, which you can go to eBay and search for example, this one, and you want to just get the inspiration from their titles, see what they are doing with the titles. So you just want to change the title, make it a little bit better. And the description, as you can see, doesn't really matter. The description must be by buyers. They don't even care about the description. Now if you click on publish, then this product will be published into your online store, your eBay store. So a lot of people ask me, what if someone purchased this item on eBay? What's going to happen? Should I go to Printify and order it manually or what? No, you don't. So Printify will take care of everything. They will ship the product automatically to the customer, so you don't have to pay for anything. Also the profit, they take care of the price, they take care of everything. It says here the profit is going to be $15. So each time this one gets a sale on your eBay store, you earn $15. The profit margin is 40%. Okay, now yeah, that's it. Okay, we just need to customize a very good t-shirt, add a very good logo, and yeah, click on publish, and this will be published into your eBay store. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe. If you need any help, I reply to every single comment. Let me know in the comments what you want. I reply to everyone within a few minutes. See you guys in the next video.